Oh no, come oh no, oh no. When we were drowning, I would see yours before my friend, but I know it can't go free. But I was there and I saw what you did. So with my own two eyes, right by that place, nowhere to be, still in the paradise. All my life, oh Lord, oh Lord. I remember all of it, but I never forget. It's the first time and the last time we ever met. That's the reason why you keep silence so long. No, you don't fool me, 'cause I heard that.